Welcome to How to Master. This video I'll show you how to transfer money from crypto.com to a DeFi wallet. So first we're gonna have to make sure our DeFi wallet is connected to crypto.com. So open the wallet, head over to settings in the top left, and make sure it says connected to your wallet right here. So next go back to crypto.com, tap on where it says transfer, then withdraw, then tap withdraw crypto to other platforms. And since you would have already linked your crypto.com account to your crypto.com DeFi wallet, then we don't have to do anything more here than tap on crypto.com DeFi wallet. Then you need to select the cryptocurrency you're going to be using, and for this example it will be crypto.com coin. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then it will show you all your transfer information, but all you need to do is tap on confirm. So with that being said, if this video helped you in any way, consider subscribing and liking the video to support the channel.